Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your GGC Online Employee Account. So let's get started. So to log into your GGC Online Employee Account, and GGC stands for Georgia Gwinnett College, and if you want to log into your account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Employee Online Login GGC. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says login. And after tapping on that, here you can see Employee Online, and you want to log into your GGC employee account, so just enter your account's username and password. So after entering your username and password, now you can just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. You can also reset and recover your password if you have forgotten your account's password by just tapping on forgotten password. So after tapping on forgotten password, you can easily reset or recover your password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. Then tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your GGC Online Employee Account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.